As a valuable volunteer, we want to get you registered and set up for Digital Cookie. Let's see how. The first step will be to check your email from an email that comes from Girl Scout Cookies and says Ready, Set, Register for Digital Cookie. You'll click on that email, and in it, you'll see a bright green button. Click on the Ready, Set, Register email to begin. You'll start by creating a password. Your password must be at least 8 characters, include one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one number. When you've got a great one figured out, click Reset Password. You'll then use that to log into your Digital Cookie page using the email where you received your registration email and your new password. Then click Login to continue. The first thing you'll get to do in Digital Cookie is watch a great, fun safety video. When you finish watching the video, you can click Continue. The next thing you'll see is Volunteer Terms and Conditions. Read that, click Accept, and then click Continue. Then you'll select your role. You can choose to log in as a parent, troop leader, or service unit manager, depending on your role. For the first time through, we'd like you to register as a parent so you can get your girls registered at the same time. Then you'll have the terms and conditions for parents. You'll read those, make sure you understand them, click Accept, then click Continue. The next thing you'll see is the Digital Cookie Pledge. Make sure you read this and read this with any of your Girl Scouts under 13. Girls over 13 will get their own pledge. Then you'll accept it and click Continue. You'll then be taken to a screen to register your girls. You'll click the green Register button. You'll enter their preferred first name. If they go by a different name, you can enter that here, so customers will see that. Then click the green Sign Up button. If you have girls over 13, you will enter their email address in order to get them set up for their own Digital Cookie account. When you're finished, click Access Site, and you'll be taken to your girls' homepage. Note you can switch between roles here. You can switch between parent, troop leader, or service unit cookie manager, depending which roles you have. All you do is click here and be taken to your troop dashboard. Be sure to watch the videos on navigating your troop dashboard for more information. Have a great time, and we know you'll be really successful in Digital Cookie.